Hello everyone, welcome to this session. My name is Wycliffe, and in this video I want to share with you how you can do left join in R. So we will have to install a dplyr package. If you don't have it, you can install it using install.packages. For my case, I already have it, so I will just load it with the library function. So I run library and then dplyr. Then I have it in my session. After that, I will create a dummy data frame, which I will call df yield. And for this, I will use table function and then provide column names like farm, which will be a paste of farm f underscore and then 1 to 5. So those are 5 farms: farm 1, farm 2, farm 3, farm 4, farm 5. And then from each of these farms, we have some yield of t. So I will say t in kilograms obtained from these farms included maybe 400 kilograms, another one 550, another one 300 kilograms, another one 450 kilograms, and lastly 500 kilograms. Okay. So if I run that, I have my data frame created. But because we want to do left join, we will have more than one data frame because we want to join one data frame to the other. So let's say we also had a table or a CSV or a data frame with grade information from each of these farms. So for each of the farms, that is, let's say, and sometimes even the farms may not be having the same names. Maybe this is from a different source and they vary in names. So we can say here we had farms 1 to 4, for example, only 1 to 4. And instead of farm 5, we had farm 6. So because we are breaking the order, there is no farm 5, so we cannot say paste 1 to 6, but we say paste 1 to 4, and then 6th, we provide it separately. Then the grade information which were obtained from each of these included, the first one was BP, for example, and then the second one was PF, the third one was PD, the fourth one was BP, and then the last one is, say, PF. These are different grades of tea. So sometimes when you're taking tea, you feel that this tea does not taste the same as the other one or something like that, or the granules are finer than the other granules, the grains, or this is quite coarse. So all that information is on the BP, whether it's dust or granules. If we look at yield and grade, we see that we have data frame with numbers 1 to 5, 1 to 6, 1 to 4, but no 5, but we have 6. But we have same column name here called farm and then farm. So we want to left join this grade to yield so that we have another column here called grade. All right, so how do we do that? It's very simple. We just say to the df, we left join. We use left join function, and then we provide df of yield, and then we left join it with the df of grade, just like that. But then we tell it that we are joining by the column farm because in both of them there is information about farm. But since we didn't have fifth farm in grades data frame, here we didn't have number 5, we only had 4, then 6. So that is filled up with not available. Okay, so that's how you can perform left join. If you want to join a data frame to one on the left, then you will only keep all the records in the left data frame and records that match based on the column you specified in the right data frame. If you find this useful, kindly grab the script to this in the description section of this video. I will also include a case of using multiple columns in that script. Feel free to use it for your work. Thank you and happy coding. Bye-bye.